Welcome to Wizard.com. This is Ashwini, Maths tutor. Our question is, in the given figure, AB is the diameter of a circle with a center O and AT is a tangent. If angle AOQ equals to 85 degree, find angle ATQ. We have given angle AOQ equals to 85 degree. As angle ABQ and angle AOQ are the angles on the circumference of the circle by the same arc. So the relation between ABQ and AOQ will be ABQ equals to 1/2 AOQ. Angle on the circumference of the circle by the same arc. So here ABQ equals to 1/2 AOQ is 85 degree. So it is 42.5. Now angle as OA is perpendicular to AT. So angle BAT is 90 degree because OA is perpendicular to AT. So angle ATQ equals to 90 degree minus 42.5, that is 47.5 degree. So our correct option is option C.